Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to understand you can say weekly contest question 393. This is the second question. Last question we have already done. The first question that was easy. This is the medium question. So this is 3115, the maximum prime difference, right? So what you have to do, so in this you have given an array, right, integer array, and you have to return the integer that is the maximum distance between the two indices of you can say the given prime numbers in the array, right? So how we are going to find it? So we have given this array 4 2 9 5 3, right? So if you will write like this 4 2 9 5 3, right? 4 2 9 3 5. Okay, yeah. So if the indices, we say indices is 0 1 2 3 and 4, right? These are the indices of this array, right? If this is an array, so its indices start from what? 0 to its length, last length, right? So if you see, the prime numbers are at, you can say this is first prime number they have found, then we can say this is the second prime number we have found, right? And this is the third prime number we have here. So if you observe that the indices we have is 1 3 and 4. So here the minimum you can say indices is 1, right, this one, and max indices is 4, right? So what we will do, we will do 4 max minus 1 is your result, right? And we will return this. So this is called maximum distance between the two indices. So simply if you try to implement this one, what you have to do, let's focus how to approach this problem, right? So this is not the complete example of the program, but I'm trying to say how will you approach this. So in the first thought in your mind, it should come like, I'll take one mean index, I will take a max index, and then what we will do sorry I will iterate from I is from 0 to the length, right? And I will go the full array iteration. Then what I will do, I will go, if num of I is prime, then what I will do, I will check minimum and maximum, and the second time we will update it, right? What I will do, minimum start from 0, index will start from 0, so minimum will at mean, right? Then what we will do, maximum will update. Like that we will move on the array, right? Let's suppose what I'm trying to say, previously what we had, let me check, 4 2 9 5 3, 4 2 9 5 3. These are the value we had, 4 2 4 2, this one. Okay, so this is your 0, this is your 1 2 3 and 4. These are the indices, right? So minimum we have found at what? Indices 1, right? So this is your mean, right? So if I will see the prime, right, mean, right? So mean cannot go further ahead, right? Because we have already found it, and minimum will go backward side but not the forward side, right? So minimum will stuck here and we'll say we got the minimum. Next either we will get another you can say prime number, still that we have minimum fixed. But for the max will start from also here only, right? This is max, right? Next time we will found again at 5, right, here at index 3. So now max move from here to here. Now we will move to here next. So finally we will stuck here at we can say at the last index, right? And then finally what we will do, we will do minus max minus mean, and then we will return the answer. So you can pause this video here and you can try for yourself, right? Pause it and try by yourself, or let's continue. Okay, so to approach this problem of finding the, you can say the maximum prime difference, right, in the array, you can follow some steps, right? How will do, how are you going to use those steps? So let's first understand the problem. First read and understand the problem statement thoroughly, and then identify the inputs. Like in this problem we have given array of integers, right? And then we have given some expected output. Then next step what we should do, we should plan for the solution, like that I have did in this approach, right? So first decide the approach you will use to solve the problem, right? So in this case, you need to find the maximum difference between the indices of two prime number in the array, right? Two prime numbers in the array, right? So you have to consider how you will determine if the number is prime. So think about how you will track the minimum and maximum indices of the prime numbers to calculate the difference, right? So what we will do, we will take two variables and then we'll iterate over that. It means now what you have to do, you have to implement the solution. So when you're going to write the method to check if the prime is number is prime or not, right? That here I have not written, just I have mentioned that if num of I is prime, right? So in this case, what we will do, you will write a method to check if a number is prime or not, right? So if number is prime, then you will continue like this, right? So a common approach is to iterate from what? You can say for the prime number from 2 to the square root of the number, right? That we know already, right? And we will check for the divisibility also. So it is divisible by something or not, right? Then what we will do, we will write the main method and we'll try to iterate the array. But we are using Leetcode, so that is not required, right? It will automatically iterate those. You can say you can debug those things in your laptop also with the Eclipse you can install or somewhere, right? And then you can do that. So keep track of the minimum and maximum indices of the prime number that you have encountered, right? Now calculate the returns that maximum prime difference is based on the indices or not, right? And then you try to test the solution and then optimize the solution, those things. So let's understand how I have did, right? So I'll come to here once I will finish this one, right? So this is the prime function that I was talking about, right? What I told. So first we have to write a prime number. You can say prime. First I will write a method to check if the number is a prime or not, right? So we know already the common approach is to iterate from what? 2 to the square root of the number, right? We will do that, right? And we will also check the divisibility. Is the remainder is equal to 0, means it is not a prime number, return it, right? Or if the number is less than this is the best case, if the number is less than equal to 1, means return as a false, this is not a prime number. Okay, like that we know this is a prime number function from here to here, right? Now what we have to do, we will start mean and max from -1, or you can start from 0 also, but it's good to start from -1 because we are going to iterate from 0 to the next index, right? So because if we already observe that we will not take from -1, we will start from 0, it means we are already understood that at index 0 we have a prime number, that we should not do that, right? So we'll start from -1. So for I, we will start from 0 to the length and we'll check, as I told you, is prime number, right? And if the given element nums of I is prime number, this is the num of I, right? Means this is the element. If it is equal to -1, we will store mean is equal to I. Otherwise what we will do, we will update max equal to I each time, and no need to use math dot mean or max, right? That is not required. We can do like this only. We will iterate each time. So mean will be same because we do not need to update. We do not need to call explicitly math dot mean or math dot max. We'll directly do that, right? Then what we will do, we'll check mean equal to -1, max equal to -1. Then we will return -1. Why? Because we have iterate all the element and we haven't found any prime number till now in the array, right? And so we will return -1 here. If we have found the prime numbers, obviously we should have mean and max, right? In that case we will return max minus mean, and that is your value, right? Your result, you can say, right? So what we will do, I was talking about this one. So once you will submit this problem, right, solution, your code, you will see these problems, right? So these challenges are similar to this one. So I'll suggest that if you have time, spend some time on this topic, right? If these questions, right, if you are stuck on there, please let me know in the comment box. I will really help you, and I will guide you. So please subscribe this channel for more updates, and please give hints, suggestions about this channel, so it will grow. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.